2 tens plus 14 ones. Now we can do some exercise. Exercise 3C, regroup. Here we can see 1 10 and 5 ones. You have to regroup from tens group to ones group. Here we have only 1 10 in the tens group. We are giving that 1 10 to the ones group, but we have to give that to the tens place. Here we have to give 1 10 from the tens group, which means 0 10 is left. No tens are left, and that 1 is given to the ones group, but in the tens place. So our answer is 15 ones. 15 ones. Now we have here 2 tens and 4 ones. You have to give 1 from the tens group to the ones group. That means after giving 1 from the tens group, it will become 1 10 plus this 1 is given to the tens place of the ones group, which means 1 10 plus you have 14 ones. 1 4, 14 ones. So our answer is 1 10 and 14 ones. This is how we can regroup from tens to ones. Now fill in the blanks. 1 10 plus 8 ones. It can be regrouped like 1 is given from the tens group, so there is no tens place left, and it is given to the tens place. 1 and 8. 18 ones. Now the next question, 2 tens plus 7 ones, which means you have to give 1 from the tens group, which means here 1 is given and here what is left? 1 10 is left, and this 1 is given to the tens place of the ones group. Yes, 17 ones. So the answer is 1 10 plus 17 ones. Now we can use this regrouping method for subtraction. Here we can see 53 minus 18. How we can subtract 53 minus 8? Here ones place has 3 and 8. 3 minus 8 is not possible because we can only subtract from a bigger number a smaller number. 8 cannot be subtracted from 3. So we have to make the 3 bigger. We can only subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. So to make the 3 bigger, you have to take 1 from the tens group. You have to take 1 from the tens group, but you have to give that 1 to the tens place, and 3 is put in the ones place. Now this 3 has become bigger, like 13. Now we have here 13 and here 8. Ones place has 13 and 8. 13 minus 8 is, what is 13 minus 8? It is 5. Now here we have 1 is given. From 5 1 is given. So we have here 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. So our answer is 45. So this is how we can do subtraction using regrouping. Now we can do this exercise 3D. Here 43 minus 27, you have to subtract. Here we cannot subtract 7 from 3. 3 is a smaller number. So we have to convert this 3 to a bigger number. That means 3 will become 13. How it will become 13? You have to take 1 from the tens group. from 4 you are going to take 1. So 4 will become 3 and you have to give that ones to the tens place. You have to give that ones to the tens place of the ones group. Here, thus we will get 13. Now we have in the ones place 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is 6. Here we have in the tens place 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So our answer is 16. Similarly, we can do 76 minus 38. Here we have in the ones place 6 minus 8. We cannot subtract 8 from 6 since 6 is a smaller number. So to make 6 is a bigger number, you have to take 1 from tens place. So if we take 1 from the 7, it will become 6. And if we give that 1 to the ones place, in the tens place it will come 1. And 6 is placed in the ones place. So 16 minus 8 is 8. And here we have 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So our answer is 38. Now, we can see how we can check the subtraction. If we do any subtraction and if we have any doubt in the answer, we can check whether our answer is right or not. How we can do that? We can do that by, if we take 43 minus 27, you will get 16 as answer. You will get 16 as answer. And if you have any doubt whether this answer is right or not, we can check whether it is right or not. How is it possible? First you have to take this answer 16 and take the second number here 27. And then we have to add these two and check whether we are getting the first number. That is, we will get 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. 43, we got the first number itself. So, we can understand that 16, our answer got 16 is the correct answer. So, to check subtraction, first you have to add the answer with the second number 27 and check whether we are getting 43, first number. If we get the first number as answer, then our subtraction answer is correct. We can do some problems. Exercise 3E. Subtract and check your answer. Here we have 36 minus 11. We know to subtract 6 minus 1 is 5 and 3 minus 1 is 2. We have 25 as the answer. But if you have any doubt whether our answer is right or not, we can check by taking this 25, by taking the answer and the second number 11. We have to add these both answer and the second number. So 5 plus 1 is 6 and tens place 2 plus 1 is 3. Yes. So we got the first number as answer, 36. Our first number is the answer. So we understood that our answer 25 is correct one. Now we can do some story problems. Story problems or word problems consist of 2-3 sentences in which you have to read and understand each sentence carefully and find what we have to do with it. Here we have The question: Anita had 26 pencils. She gave 9 pencils to Sunita. How many pencils are left with Anita? We know that Anita have 26 pencils and she gave 9 pencils to Sunita, which means 9 pencils is taken away from 26, which means 26 minus 9. Taking away, subtraction is a process of taking away. So 26 minus 9. How many pencils are left with Anita? To find how many pencils left, you have to subtract 9 from 26 and we will get 17 as the answer. Similarly, we can do the rest of the problems. Here, next question is: a shopkeeper bought 58 books. He sold 26 books within 2 days. A shopkeeper bought 58 books. First, shopkeeper bought 58 books and in 2 days he sold 26 books. How many books are left with him? First, he had 58 books and in 2 days he sold. It is taken away. 26 books are sold. So how many books are left? To find how many books are left, we have to do subtraction. 58 minus 26. 8 minus 6 is 2. And 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer is 32. So the books left are 32. Now we can add or subtract. Decide whether to add or subtract and then solve. Here we will have some word problems here. We have to read the word problems clearly and decide whether what we have to do, add or subtract. For that, we can do the first one. One packet has 42 books and another has 27 books. How many books are there in both the packets? First packet have 42 and second packet have 27 books. Together, how many books they have? Together, how many books are there in both the packets? Which means what we have to do? Yes, we have to do addition. So 42 plus 27. The answer is 69. So total there are 69 books in both the packets. Now we have to do the next one. 53 passengers were traveling in a bus. 18 passengers got down at a stop. How many passengers are left in the bus? First, we have 53 passengers in the bus. Then, 18 passengers got down at a stop. Now, how many are left in the bus? First, 53 passengers were there and 18 passengers are taken away, or 18 passengers got down. So, how many are left? What we have to do? We have to subtract 53 minus 18. And what is the answer? 3 minus 8 is not possible. 3 is a smaller number. So you have to make it a bigger number by taking 1 from 5. It will become 30. Now 13 minus 8. What is 13 minus 8? Yes, it is 5. And here 5 has become 4, right? 1 is taken from 5. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So the answer is 35. Now we can discuss the multiple choice questions. If 25 plus 18 equals 43, then 43 minus 25 equals 18, 25 minus 18 equals 43, 43 plus 18 equals 25. We have to find if we have 25 plus 18 equals 43, then which option can be true? These three options are given. We need to check which option is true for this addition statement or addition fact. See, for example, we know that 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. And we also know that the answer 15 minus the first number 8 is equal to 7. And we also know that the answer 15 minus the second number 7 is equal to the first number 8. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7 and 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. From this addition fact, we can write these two subtraction facts. That is, from the addition fact, the answer got minus the first number, we will get the second number 7. Also, the answer got 15 minus the second number will get the answer as the first number. So this is true for this addition facts. Similarly, we can say from here that if 25 plus 18 equal to 43, we can also write it in terms of two subtraction facts. That is 43 minus the first number 25 is equal to the second number 18. Also, the answer 43 minus the second number 18, then we will get the first number 25 as the answer. So, from here we have two subtraction facts and here we have three options. So, which option is correct? Yes, the first subtraction fact 43 minus 25 equals 18 is there in the first option. So we have to take the first option. This can be done with any addition facts. 23 plus 34 is equal to 57. Any addition facts can be written as two subtraction facts. That is, the answer got the minus the first number 23 is equal to the second number 34. Similarly, we can also get the subtraction fact 57 minus the second number. Then we will get the first number 23 as the answer. Okay, now we can see the next one. Mental maths. If 7 minus 4 is equal to 3, then 67 minus 4 is equal to dash. We know that both 7 and 4 have only one's place. That is 7 minus 4. We know that 7 minus 4 is 3. Then 67 minus 4, we have, if we put 6 here in the tens place and here there is no other number, then we can say it like that, 67 minus 4. And the answer will be 63. So the answer is 63. We can do one more like that. If 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, then 39 minus 3 is equal to, what will be the answer? Yes, we can directly say from this that if 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, then 39 minus 3 is equal to 36. Very good. Now you understand how we will deal such kind of problems. Now we can see the next one. A number minus dash is equal to the previous number. What will be the answer here? We can do it like this. Take any number, a number. You can take any number. See, we can take 7. A number minus dash is equal to, what is it? Previous number. Numbers previous number. We have taken 7 as the number. We know that the previous number of 7 is, number before 7 is 6. So a number minus dash is equal to the previous number. 7 minus dash is equal to previous number. So 7 minus what number is 6? What we have to subtract from 7 to get 6? Yes, very good. 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Similarly, we can check with any other number. See, if it is 25 minus dash is equal to its previous number. What is the previous number of 25? Yes, it is 24. So we can say that what we have to subtract from 25 to get 24? To get 24, you have to subtract 1. 25 minus 1 is equal to 24. So we can say that a number minus 1 is equal to the previous number. You can check it with any other number. You will get 1 itself as the answer. A number minus 1 is equal to the previous number. So that's all. This is the end of our chapter, subtraction. Thank you.